Hey guys, RH Yak here today, and today we're going to be going over the Palomar knot. The Palomar knot is a great knot to know how to tie. It can be used to attach monofilament, florocarbon, braid, pretty much any type of line. You can use the Palomar knot to attach it to your hook. So you're going to take your line that you're going to be using, you're going to double it up, bend it in half, about 6 inches from the end of the line. You're going to pinch that together, and you're going to send the hook with the pointed side, from the pointed side through that eye of that hook, or the eye of the lure. You're going to create an overhand knot, which should just go around and then back through that loop. It's just your basic overhand knot. And then you're going to take this loop that's still there, and you're going to go around the whole entire hook or lure. And at this point, you will moisten this down, just so it slides a little bit better. Pulling on both ends. Cinch that down. Tighten it, give it a few tugs, make sure it's not going to break on you. And that is how you tie the Palomar knot. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, hopefully this video just helped you out, and hopefully it helps you land your next big fish. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can catch more videos just like this in the future. And comment down below on what kind of videos you want to see us doing. Thanks for watching, and tight lines.